is he? Oh, there he is.
I will make you suffer.
Why not? You don't like it? Yes. I'm gonna get you. I sent you a photo of Miss Scully. Yes! Show me, what skin do you use? Let's see. Right here. Oh, you use that skin. She is hot, isn't she? I like that skin. I like it a lot. Alright, let's go do Imogen. Oh, Crit, look at my Christmas charms. Aren't they cute? Wait, I should send Tasha a photo. Wait. Hold on, I need to get a good snippet. Ah! Robin's telling me off. Okay, I'm going to the naughty corner. I'm going to the naughty corner. I'm in the naughty corner. Oh, the star was in the way. Hold on. Is it in the way still? Hold on. If I look up, you should see it there. They're cute. I want to send a screenshot to Tash. Hold on. Let me get snippet up. Oh, Ada, hi. Don't mind me just taking a screenshot. Just taking a screenshot. Stocking is cute, isn't it? Windows plus Shift and S. Okay. Oh, wait. Is it a screenshot? Imagine you just close my game. Draw a shape to create a snip. What do you mean? Oh! Where does that go? Does it just go into a folder on my PC? Oh my god, I love you so much, Crit. What the hell? I didn't know that was a thing. So I could just paste it? You're kidding. Windows Shift. Oh, wait, let me get a good angle. Oh my god, is it actually copied? Because that's gonna change. I didn't know this! Oh, it does! Oh my god, Crit. You don't understand. You don't understand how happy that's just made me. You don't understand. That's literally changed. I've always been getting snipping tool up. I've just been getting snipping tool up. And then you have to save it, and it's so annoying, and you have to... Ooh, totem, finally. They're like gangsters, don't mind me. Just gonna... Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, that's incredible. Incredible! Ah! Finally got a boon. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Did you want to do it? You can do it, Ada. Bye. What a cutie. I love Vector so much. Fun, diverse, and when they have personality, it's just like the best. Oh, no way out. I see, I see. I'm just showing Tash what I got. The lobby broke. Oh, unless Robin's getting off. Are you done, Robin? Or did the lobby break? Oh, okay. That's all good. All good. Good luck on your games. Have fun. Thanks for joining. I love you. Crit. I don't think I have you, do I? I've pinned my Steam thing if you want to add me. If you're still coming. Added me through Steam. Let's see. Ah, yeah, here we go. Yay. Do. Let's do it. Now you have to actually buy Maria, don't you? Survivors. And who is Maria Cheryl? Oh. Oh, I want it. I do. This is dangerous. That's just so cute. That is so bloody cute. Oh my god, hot. Wait, that is so hot. That looks so good. Yeah, $30 skin. Ah! It's a lot, right? That's right. I'll just stick to this. I literally just bought this. It'll keep me happy enough. You wanted to get Sable's dragon skin from a Rift a while back, but it was when I stopped playing. Oh, this one, I think. Hold on, where's my Sable? Oh, I was matching with Tash, that's why I'm wearing this. So my normal Sable skin is... is it this one or this one? This one? And that? This is my Sable